So here's the parts we're going to put in. Went to Napa, got an extra pulley wheel. We did get one for the other side too. Might as well do that one while we're there. And we went to Ford and got this original Ford part right here. And this part is actually, when you look at it, that's the bolt that goes through the wheel. The wheel goes down in here. It's real hard to see, but you see that stud right there in the center of the shot? That is where that wheel's going to go on. It'll be just like this one down there. So you can see the one right there. It's just the opposite side. So this stud right here is where the wheel's going to go on. I'm going to pull that down, the belt down, and put that wheel on there. Hopefully we can get that wheel in there without removing the belt tension. So what we did, you can see, we put that in. You can see I got the nut in there, and you can see that the belt is a little bent around it. This is the way they did them back in 2099, so we'll see what that does to it. Next we're going to replace that one because we bought it in case it's dragging. But we'll see. This doesn't seem to have play in it, but let's put the air cleaner back on and start it up. So after adding the other pulley wheel, we still had a noise. So here's the part we got. It's a factory Ford part. This is the one Ford says to use, and what's interesting is, see, that's the back side of the belt. I'll show you the back side of the other belt. It's all smooth. This one has like raised lugs. Don't know if you can see that real well, but there you go. Maybe you can see it there. Those are raised lugs. The other thing we'll compare is this inner track when we get the belt off. So we'll get the air cleaner off and take the belt off. I do have another video if you want to see how to get the belt off down there. Okay, things to notice. Here you can see the old belt and the new belt. You can see that the Ford belt is a little bit tighter, a little bit smaller in diameter. Let's see what else we got. Another thing we've got here, it's hard to see in there, but if you can see that well, but the grooving is thicker on the Ford belt, the male portion. So it's going to ride a little harder on the pillow wheels. And we're going to put it in and see what happens. So there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The OEM belt, the Ford one with the grooves on the back and a little shallower grooves on the other side so the part sticking up was wider. We're quiet as a mouse now. Don't know if we needed that other idler wheel, but it's in there. We're leaving it. I will tell you, out of breath because that belt was hard to get on. The other one was easy, man. Just flip it on the alternator, go. This one, man, you had to have the tensioner all the way over, and you could barely get the belt on. So this belt was shorter, probably a ½ inch-ish, than the ones from Napa and other places like that. Sometimes it pays to buy the OEM. Don't forget, like and subscribe. You want to see how to put that belt on? There's another video on this where I replaced the tensioner. It shows you how to do the belt and what have you. So don't forget, like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next cool video. On to our next project.